Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet coasters especially for Christmas celebrations. In this pattern I am using two color of worsted yarn and one 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First you take red color yarn and make one slip knot. After that you make 1, 2, 3 chain and then go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 half double crochet. You make total 12 double crochet in this stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You make total 12 half double crochet in this round. I have completed my 12 double crochet and then you join it with your beginning third chain. Here you join it with slip stitch. I have completed my first round. For second round you make 1, 2 chain, count as a first half double crochet and make one more double crochet in the half double crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 2 half double crochet. Go to the next and make 2 half double crochet. You repeat the same pattern in this round. Here I have joined it with slip stitch and make 2 chain, count as a first half daisy or half double crochet and then go to the next stitch and make 1 more half double crochet and go to the next and make 2 half double crochet. And go to the next, make only 1 half double crochet and go to the next and make 2 half double crochet. You repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the last and first stitch. Here I have made one more half daisy, total 2 half daisy in the very first stitch and here you join it with slip stitch and then you make 1, 2 chain and make one more half daisy in the same stitch and make 2 half daisy in the next 2 stitches and go to the next stitch, make 2 half daisy and then you go to the next stitch, make 1 half daisy and then go to the next stitch and 1 more half daisy. and go to the next. You make 2 half DC. You make in the very first stitch you make 2 half DC. The next 2 stitches you make 1 half DC, and this is the 4th stitch. Here you increase your stitches. Here I have made 2 half DC in the same stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. I have completed my 4th round, and here I have cut my yarn, extra yarn. And then you join the white color yarn for 5th round. Here you join it with slip stitch. And this is count as a first single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in the every single stitch or each stitch. You do not increase any stitches in this round. You repeat it in this round. I have completed my 1 single crochet in this round, and then here I have made 1 slip stitch. Go to the 6th round, make 1 chain, count as a first single crochet, and go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. You make and go to the next and make 1 single crochet. Here you was 3 single crochet in the previous 3 stitches, and then you make 1 more single crochet in the 4th stitch and make 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and go to the same stitch and make 1 single crochet, and then go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. You make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then make 5 chain and make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, and you make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And make 5 chain and make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. This is the last round of the coasters. You repeat it. I have completed this round, and here this is the last stitch. This is the last stitch. Here you make 5 chain and make 1 single crochet or slip stitch. And cut the yarn, extra yarn. And your coasters is ready for use. This is the very cute pattern, and you this is the tea coasters or glass. You can use it for your glass coasters, and you can make the big size. This is you can use the green color if you want. And please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.